Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for subscribing. There's a lot of other sweet events from this UTV invasion at the Red Bull race. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification bell because we got more footage coming up. We have made it to Little Sahara.
Little Sahara.
We're there.
That's why they call it Sand Mountain.
Sand Mountain right there, nice and big.
There's
this corner.
I missed that again.
Dude, your car looks mint, even though you tipped it over right into a tree. Good job, dude. You made it entertaining for us.
Thanks for flipping me back over. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Yeah.
I hope you don't mind, but we'll put you on the channel flipped over. So.
No, go for it. At least looks good in any orientation.
Yeah, you're gonna know it's your car.
Yeah, exactly.
I like it, bro.
Yeah, this is sick though.
Coming in hot, coming in hot. Oh, oh! You all right?
Okay. Shit.
You okay?
Yeah.
Let's hurry and roll him over. It'll be an easy rollover.
Okay.
Just stay in the car. Mark, Chad.
You okay, bud?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just got a little bit of tree in your face.
Yeah.
Got you live on camera, bro.
Hanging out.
Hanging out, hang loose. Okay, on three, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. You're good to go. Rip it, bro.
We got you wet.
This corner is mayhem, huh, Chad?
Oh my gosh, dude. That guy just...
This tree has been hit 3 times.
Get out of the way.
Dude, this is an awesome spot. Here they come. I'm behind the second tree.
Watch yourself.
This is the corner everybody's been blowing down here on these big berms. Had 2 or 3 cars blow that berm right there, landing in the tree.
Run over. There we oh, just like this. Driver okay? Well, that got wild. So this dude blows this corner, hits this tree, tries to get back on, rolls it, and then all the cars behind him just went chaos trying to get around him. Can we help roll you over?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're gonna hurry and roll him over and get him going.
Okay. Trying to get on that razor. Ready? Go.
Oh, she's going. We got it.
All right.
Nice.
Now go win.
I guess we'll see you in the LCQs and you can win it there, huh?
See if you can move it out of the race route.
You want your helmet just since you're already right here? Here you go, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Good luck, man.
Thanks, bro.
That was awesome. You put on a show.
Wild, man. Went through the fucking trees and everything. Hey.
That dude's got no quitting in him. I like him. Well, there goes the first rig out. Number 421 getting pulled out.
So this part of the course, what we got here down, what's going on? Got some big old berms.
So yesterday we kind of snuck in and rode the track. We're not gonna make it this year on entering the race. Rode it, we did like what, 2 or 3 laps I think. Kind of felt it and see where all the stuff was. Right here, there's a lot of like sharp berm turns. So it'll be really fun. Only thing is you're gonna get dusted out. So if you are in first, it's gonna be great. If you're in second, third, fourth, and on, it'll suck. Because right here is gonna dust out hard.
Yeah, they got this chalky kind of dirt dust or.
And it just sits. There's no breeze, there's no
Silty.
wind.
And the trees are holding it.
So, but there's some nice, cool sweeping berms here. Really fun. It's a really fun course to ride. All right, we're ripping through the track right here just to kind of show you the lines and ripping through it, just having fun. To the Redbull Scramble UTV Invasion race in Little Sahara, Utah. You excited, Bo?
Oh yeah.
This year it sounds like it's going to be a lot better, and it's at a better time of the year as far as temperature goes.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful there. I'm excited.
And we just got out of smoke.
I love riding out here.
All right, we got lucky. We picked the right guy to put a GoPro on. We got Atlas Off-Road right here. Bobby is ripping. Gets the whole shot. Look at him go. Big fan of Atlas Off-Road and what they do. So what do you guys all do?
So yeah, we're Atlas Off-Road. We're a power sports performance specialist, I guess. We have dealer agreements with Evolution Power Sports, PCI Race Radios, Geyser, just to name a few. So anything to make big horsepower, make cars go fast, really.
And your guys' cars go so fast. This one was supposed to be in the race, right?
Yeah.
And got booted because too much horsepower, right?
Yeah, we weren't aware that you couldn't run big turbo cars. So this one's got the new Paragon 43 mil from Evolution Power Sports on it. This was its maiden voyage, really, but not to be. So we'll come back
not
next
today.
year. Yeah.
But you ripped with this one. So
Yeah.
what's this X3 like? What do you got done to it
So
overall?
this is just a 21. It's just got the 4X100 octane tune from Evolution Power Sports in it. They're charge tubes, blow-off valve, that sort of stuff. So runs, like I said, 100 octane. We run 110 just to be safe, but car is really fast for a stock turbo.
Nice.
So yeah, the race went not as according to plan, but
You did really good on the heat, right?
Yeah, so
the
we
heat,
were-
you crushed it. You got first, right?
Yeah, we were fastest lap time of the day, won the heat race, and got both hole shots in the heat and the mains. So it was, and we were out front, but just came over a kicker, and the lip kicked me funny and knocked the tire right off the bead. So
What tire came off?
the right rear.
Your right rear came off?
He's feeling really good. The track was pretty rough, and luckily we were out of the dust out in front, but just not our day.
Not your day. But hey, I mean, fastest guy on the track,
Yeah.
2 hole shots, like,
We'd have had it.
oh dang, that's frustrating when you know you're the guy.
We'll get them next year.
We watched you going around the S curves where it got hairy, and I mean, you were moving it through there. We kind of make fun of a lot of Can-Ams
Sure.
because you're either a good driver and you crush it, like pretty much what you were doing,
Yeah.
or you see him in the tree, because we saw 2 Can-Ams in a tree.
Yeah. I heard there's a lot of carnage.
Yeah, it was wild.
Got it.
Blue Turbo S coming in hot. Oh, he's trying to get the pass. Oh, he almost had it. Here, coming in tight. He's gonna be right on his bumper now.
They were going straight out there, so go back.
The car is so legit. Here they come. That dude's jamming out. Not much passing in it, but it is a very, very fun course to ride. Like, I loved it. I could just keep doing laps.
Yeah, it was fun.
Really fun, but I don't know how you're gonna pass anybody. Oh, he just dug it front ended. Can-Am's won the pro class too, so. But yeah, which was weird that they didn't let you guys run this, because the Can-Ams that won it, those were nowhere near stock.
They look pretty factory, but I think they're the big one that's coming out in the next car.
Oh, it's the next car.
Pretty sure they're testing the new motor for the next car.
Really? So do you know much about it, like for the viewers?
Well, from what we've heard, they have in their Skidoo line, they have a 1300cc 300 horse motor.
Okay.
That runs in those. I'm pretty sure they're gonna swap those over. That's hearsay.
Good job. I mean,
Thanks.
You were crushing it.
Yeah.
We're rooting for you.
Well, we appreciate it. We're big fans of the channel. So.
Well, thanks. Thanks
Yeah.
for watching. The winner chicken dinner. Good job, bro.
Thank you.
So, what car were you running?
RS1.
The RS1 for the win.
NA.
NA all the way. Look at this. You know it's the driver. Well, he's got the smallest horsepower car. What'd you win?
First place is, I think, a $1,500 BFG voucher.
Devin Smith, way to go, bro. How old are you?
I'm 19.
19, just slaying all this old farts. Good job, dude. We got the winner here. Winner! Number 25, Can-Am X3. Checkers.
I interviewed the last guy.
Number 2. Can-Am for the win, 1 and 2. Those guys came to win. It was really weird because we got Can-Ams either rolling or winning.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Like Can-Am either won or rolled, one of the two.
There's 3 Can-Ams broke down over there.
Yeah.
Just need to know how
It
to
kind of sucks.
harness that throttle, I think.
It sucks that they wouldn't let our buddies race, but the Can-Ams that won were like
Over the
they
top.
took the cages off. They're fully built. You look at that car out there in the field, and there were tons of cars that broke their trailing arms and A-arms
A lot of wheels
on this
broke.
course, and that's what it takes, man. You gotta have a solid frame and aftermarket, A-arms and trailing arms to survive this race.
Nice, third place. Third place right here. Good job.
Red, white, and blue one, dude. He is going.
Well, he was in third, wasn't he?
I think so, but he just launched over that second to last hill.
Fourth.